Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In front of me INFINIX Hot 20 5G, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So sometimes when you have tired of the standard appearance of your home system, then it's time to change something. So let's get started. At the third place of our top is Niagara Launcher theme. So to install it, open Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher. Find it and click Install. Click Open. Click Agree and Continue. Select your favorite applications and click OK. And great! As you can see, this is a simple launcher with user-friendly and minimalistic interface. In order to find any application in this launcher, you just need to touch your finger to the alphabetical line and drag your finger to desired letter. For example, if you want to find Gmail or Play Store, so if you want to find Gmail, just drag your finger to G button and here you will see Gmail. If you want to find Play Store, just drag your finger to P button. And great! On the second place of our top is Smart Launcher 6. So find here Smart Launcher 6, not 3, not 5, but 6. Find it and install. Click Open, click Get Started, I agree, confirm, continue, while using the app, allow, confirm, and here you can buy premium version, but I suggest you use only free version, and allow, great. As you can see, this is a really beautiful launcher with handy application grouping function. As you can see in my main menu, I have grouped all my applications: contacts, internet, games, media, utilities, and settings. So as you can see, this is really handy to use, this is really simple to use. And here you have Smart Search, this application indexing all your files in your device and all your applications and contacts, and you can find everything you have in your phone just using Smart Search option. Great! But I think that the best launcher in the world for this device is Microsoft Launcher. So just find it, Microsoft Launcher. Find it and install. Click Open. Get started. While using the app, allow, continue. Here you can connect your Microsoft Launcher to your Microsoft account, and if you will did it, you will be able to connect your mobile device, your Android device, with your PC on Windows device. So if you want to get your calls and messages on your Windows device, your Windows laptop or PC, so this is the really good way to use your phone and your PC in pair. I will skip it now. Click Continue, let's go, later, and great. So here you have Glance panel. You can set up it, you can remove Microsoft widgets and set your favorite widgets here. I think it's very handy and very comfortable in use because all your widgets, all you need will be here like in iPhone's devices. Here you have launcher settings. Here you have really many features, really many settings. You can set up everything in this launcher. You can set up wallpaper, themes, home screen, dock. You can set up app drawer. You can set up gestures, and let's see how many gestures we have here. And you can set up feed, search, and of course it's really great launcher to use. This launcher is beautiful too. This launcher supports all icon packs you can find in Play Store, and it's really cool. So I suggest you try this launcher, so just try it, and if you want to, if you like any of Hot launchers, any of the Hot themes, you can set this theme as default. So to do it, you can open apps in the settings, then here choose default apps, and here you will see home app. Click on the home app and just choose your favorite launcher, and then when you will go back to the home screen, you will go back to the Microsoft launcher. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.